In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set top bar in Framer. We'll build a clean, reusable top navigation that sits at the top of your page, complete with a logo image and simple text links, all inside a single frame so it stays organized and easy to style. First, open Framer in your project so you're looking at the canvas. We're going to add a container for the top bar. In the left panel, open the Layout section, choose Frame, and drag a new frame onto the page. Drop it right at the top of your canvas where the navigation should live. With the frame selected, resize it to span the full width of your design and set a comfortable height, something in the range of a typical header. Give it a background color if you like, and consider renaming it to Top Bar in the Layers panel to keep your project organized. You can also set padding inside the frame so items don't touch the edges, and center content vertically for a polished look. Next, still in Layout, drag an image onto the canvas and make sure you drop it inside the top bar frame. You'll see it nest under the frame in the layers list. With the image selected, click Choose Image, pick your logo or brand mark from your files, and hit Open. If the image appears too large or too small, adjust its width and height so it sits neatly to the left. Using an SVG or a transparent PNG usually gives the best result. Keep a bit of breathing room around it so the top bar doesn't feel cramped. Finally, add your navigation labels. Press T to switch to the text tool, click inside the top bar frame, and type items like home, about, or contact, whatever matches your site. Style the text with your font, size, and color, then duplicate and edit to create the rest of your links. Space them evenly and align them on the same baseline. If your frame uses horizontal layout, set a consistent gap so everything stays tidy as the bar resizes. That's it. You now have a well-structured top bar in Framer with a logo and navigation ready to use across your pages.